We multiply this first fraction by p plus 3 divided by p plus 3. The denominator here is missing a factor of p plus 3. This is the one factor we need in order to change our denominator into the LCD. For our second fraction, we multiply by p minus 1 divided by p minus 1. And this denominator, p minus 1, is the missing factor we need in order to get the LCD. Now we multiply these two numerators together and these two denominators together. This gives us our new first equivalent fraction. We do the same process for the second fraction to get this. These two denominators may look different, but they're really the same. We know the order of the factors don't matter because it's multiplication. Now that the two fractions have like denominators, we can simply add the numerators together. We add the like terms, the p's and the constants. 1p and 1p would equal 2p, and positive 3 and negative 1 would equal positive 2. Now that we're here, we should ask ourselves, are we done? Well, we added two things in a numerator together, so we have a new numerator entirely. We want to see if we can factor it if possible, and it turns out we can. We can take out a 2 to have 2 times p plus 1. But this doesn't really help us. We can't cancel a factor of p plus 1 since another factor of p plus 1 does not appear in the denominator. So the answer is yes, we're done, and here's the addition of these two rational expressions. Now this is some algebra.